Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we'll cover the step-by-step guide on the best banks for new LLC businesses, including how to get approved for business lines of credit even if your LLC is just starting out. Plus, if you'd rather have someone else handle the complex LLC formation process for you, skip ahead to the end of this video. I'll be sharing a special offer where you can form your LLC for just $39 with Northwest Registered Agent, saving you both time and money. Sometimes your business needs quick access to cash, and credit cards just won't cut it. That's where business lines of credit come in handy, providing a revolving loan that's as good as cash. You can transfer it to your bank account, wire it, or use ACH. It's flexible and perfect for fast-growing LLCs. But here's the thing. Most banks don't approve new businesses for business lines of credit, especially if you're under 2 years old. Luckily, the banks I'll share with you today are exceptions. First up is Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo is the second largest bank in the US, and they offer a fantastic solution for businesses that are under 2 years old. They pull from your Experian credit report and through their Small Business Advantage business line of credit. You can qualify for up to $50,000. What's even better is that many of my clients have been able to walk into a Wells Fargo branch, open a business checking account, and apply for the line of credit on the same day. Most of them received approvals for $15,000, $35,000, and even $50,000, all without needing years in business. Wells Fargo is also launching a new business credit card soon with zero interest for 18 to 20 months. If you're already in with them, you'll be in prime position to take advantage of this. It's a smart move to build that banking relationship now. Next, second up on the list is we've got TD Bank. TD Bank might be more regional, primarily serving the East Coast, but they offer an excellent business line of credit for new LLCs. Pulling from your Experian report, just like Wells Fargo, they approve lines of credit up to $25,000 for businesses under 2 years old, which is rare. However, be mindful of their business credit card. It has zero interest rate for 6 months, but it reports to your personal credit, which can hurt your credit score if you carry a balance. Still, if you are on the East Coast, TD Bank's $25,000 line of credit is an excellent starting point for your LLC. Finally, we have American Express. Amex offers a unique option through their partnership with Kabbage, providing business lines of credit to companies that have been operating for at least 1 year. You'll need a FICO score of 660 and at least $3,000 in monthly revenue to qualify. What's great about Amex is their flexibility and reputation. One of my clients with a business checking account at PNC and a solid FICO score was approved for $115,000 through American Express at incredibly competitive rates, which is 4% for the first 6 months and 6% for the next 12 months. For a high interest rate environment, those are impressive terms. If you're a new LLC looking to secure funding, these banks, Wells Fargo, TD Bank, and American Express, are some of the best options out there for business lines of credit. Wells Fargo offers up to $50,000 for businesses under 2 years old. TD Bank, on the other hand, goes up to $25,000 for newer businesses through their card reports to personal credit, so be cautious there. American Express, in partnership with Kabbage, is great if you have been in business for at least a year and are making $3,000 or more monthly, with lines of credit of up to $115,000. Remember, getting approved for these lines of credit requires having your LLC set up properly. If you haven't formed your LLC yet, make sure you get started by clicking the link in the description. Northwest Registered Agent offers LLC formation for just $39, which takes care of all the tedious paperwork so you can focus on what really matters, growing your business. So be sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. And that is basically it. Thank you for watching.